Do it now. What do you want to do? Do it. You say we should do something now. Do it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, please do well to click the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you do not miss out in any of my videos as time goes on. Thank you all for being so sweet. This is my friend Gerald, my sister and my friend. We'll be doing today's video together. She's a makeup artist. She's not on YouTube yet, but she's on Instagram at Dini and at Jerry D. So please go and check her out on Instagram. She does really nice makeovers and she's a very sweet person. This is going to be like a discussion kind of video. Yeah. So we'll be talking about life, things that happen in relationships. This is like a question and answer segment.
And our answers are our opinions. They might not be right to you, so feel free to comment
your own opinion. I'll be asking questions, she will be asking questions, I'll be answering in my opinion. She would be also letting us all know her own opinion.
Also, if you have any other questions for us to answer or for her to answer, you could put it down in the comment section.
And again, in this video, we'll be doing our makeup. I'll be showing you guys how I did this look. She'll be showing you how she did this everyday look. Do well to keep watching this video, and like I said, do not forget to subscribe. See you. So we already have our brows done. I have a brow tutorial, so you can go and watch it to see how you can do your brows. We did not have the time to record us doing our brows. We are just going to get into doing our makeup and talking about the topic of this discussion. Why am I the only person talking? Since I'm the only person that knows how to talk, I am going to be the first person to ask a question. I have like 6 questions. She has her questions.
Ah, you copied this one from radio yesterday.
I know what, and
not even original.
I just wanted to share with my people, so
whatever.
Don't be jealous. Like, why are you looking into my book?
Is it exam?
Yes, it's exam. This is an examination. What? John!
Yes, madam.
Where's the beauty blender?
I never wash her face.
Since morning. So my first question is it okay for a lady to keep getting gifts from a guy she knows she cannot get involved with? Ever. You know you cannot, you're a lady, you know you cannot get involved with a guy, no matter what, but he keeps getting you gifts and you keep taking them. Most times you won't ask for them yourself. Is it okay for a lady to do that?
As for me, I'll keep collecting gifts. As long as I'm not asking you for anything. You just feel you should get me things, appreciate me in the best way you can, you know, make me happy and make me smile by buying me things. I'll accept it. I can't reject it now. How would you feel if I reject your gifts?
Don't angry me.
I'm a very blunt person. From the beginning, I'll tell you I don't want to be in any relationship or whatsoever. And if you feel you still want to get me gifts, who am I to say no? You won't collect gifts. Don't lie, yo.
Why would I lie?
Don't try it.
Allow me to be honest. I know I don't want to be with him. I won't take gifts from him anymore. Why should you look at me like that?
Yeah, you
Are you okay?
Please be realistic. Oh. There's nothing there. There's nothing. It's his choice. You've told him no, you've told him no. If he wants to buy you gifts, it's his choice.
All these questions, I want you to let us know your opinion in the comments. What's your question? John! Why are you putting on the floor? Beauty blender, it's for the face, John.
That's why I put it on the face of the floor.
Jesus is Lord.
Leave him alone.
Just go.
My question is, why do men cheat? What would make a man cheat if you're in a relationship with him?
Who are you asking?
You.
Why are you asking my man?
Oh my days.
Well, I actually do not know why men cheat. There was a time where I felt like it was normal for men to cheat.
Do you come with any?
So you don't feel that way anymore?
No, I don't.
Why is that?
Most times, the ladies in the relationship are at fault. So I think some men cheat because of their partners. Some cheat because they just want to cheat.
Then I'm not going to blame the ladies for this one because I just...
You're not going to blame any lady for a man cheating.
I didn't say I won't blame any lady. I said I will not blame the ladies. Men are naturally greedy by nature.
It's not true.
They want to eat their cakes and have it. Some of them don't derive pleasure from doing it, but they just have to do it based on peer pressure, sometimes temptation, but I don't think it's always the lady's fault because sometimes you do everything, you cook, you wash, you clean.
You know you're speaking for yourself.
I'm not speaking for myself.
Some ladies will not do all these things you're saying.
I said some ladies.
Some ladies are badly mannered.
I said some ladies. I didn't say all ladies.
Yeah, so how about the men that are in a relationship with all these other ladies?
I don't think anything is enough reason for you to cheat on your partner. Bad character.
Well, I agree. If you cannot tolerate someone or you're tired of the
let
person,
the person go.
just tell the person to go. Everyone is always talking about men cheating. What would you say about a woman cheating, or a girl or a lady cheating on her boyfriend or her husband?
And you just feel great too. It's actually I won't say weird, but you hardly find ladies that cheat on their partners. And then when you do, it's just out of greed. Maybe because they want more, or their partner is not giving them what they want, and it's always material things. Maybe they are intimidated by other ladies from social media, or maybe their friends have some certain things in their relationship and they don't have. If you cannot be with a man and be able to manage with him, I don't think you should even get into the relationship in the first place.
It is even worse when a woman cheats. And I think a lot of women do cheat. Coming from a man, everybody already have this mentality that a man would always cheat. So no one would want to look into any woman or try to say that she's cheating on her partner. Because trust me, when a woman wants to cheat, she will do it. You will not catch her. But a man could even try it for once and you will catch him. And when a woman cheats, it's even worse, because I believe that if a woman is in a relationship and she's seeing someone else having sex with the person, she's already, sharing her feelings. Like, she's already losing love for this other person.
Yeah,
that's what I think.
Without having feelings for
yeah,
other
do you get? But when a woman does, okay. So next question. Are you ready for this question? Can you kiss on the first date?
Why not?
What is the guy's mouth smelling?
I won't even go on a date.
If you try to kiss him and he has internal mouth odor, those strong, thick ones, you're already close to collecting your kiss. And the thing just hits you.
I'll move on to peg.
Oh my god!
After a kiss on the first date though, I need to have that chemistry with you.
Really? You think you have to kiss him to have the chemistry?
No, I would have that chemistry before I even do that.
Meaning you have to have been talking to him for some time.
Yeah.
If I've been talking to him for a while, when I see him, I don't know, one thing could lead to one thing, and the kiss might just happen. You get bored. I must have been talking to you for a while. Let us know your opinion. Can you kiss a guy on the first date?
My next question is, if you are a guy, would you date you?
I would date me.
Why?
Because I am the type of woman any man would wish to have.
John, not true.
Really? John?
Sometimes, no.
John, you the answer. Meaning what? So my next question is, can you date a guy with no source of income? As in, uncle does not have work.
I can't do. I did not come to this world to suffer.
Jesus
I
is Lord.
Don't even.
It's not.
Don't even talk to me.
It's not even about dating a man that doesn't have a job. I can't date a stingy man.
Funke.
Stingy men. Shout out to you guys. Well done, people. Well done, sirs. So men are stingy. Stingy Coco. This is not because we are saying money is everything, or a guy has to be rich before any girl can have something to do with him. You have to be able to take care of yourself. I cannot come and be taking care of you. I have my family. Like, if you don't have work at all, like you cannot fend for your own self. You don't have the right to ask any woman out. I'm sorry.
You don't have the right to be
You have
loved.
no right.
Pick a struggle.
You have no right. No right whatsoever. Please. You are not Davido.
Love is not for you.
It's not for you.
The next question. Can you leave your friend alone with your man? Your friend is stranded and she needs a place to stay or something. And she calls this ask you, oh please can I go to your boyfriend's house to spend the night or something?
Spend one night. Well, it depends on the friend. Gerald is my friend. I can leave Gerald with my man. But
Actually, Gerald,
I cannot leave any other person with my man. I'm sorry.
I know my friends and I know who they are. Like, I know their character and I'm very selective about my friends. So I have a lot of people I talk to. A lot of people that think they are my friends. But my friends, I don't think they're even up to 5.
That's a lot. I'm jealous. It's only Tinuke and Anuli that I know. Tinuke, Anuli, shout out to you. Please, you guys go and follow my friend Anuli. She doesn't have any posts yet, but she just opened her YouTube channel. She's on Instagram at Anuli_o. Tinuke is on Instagram at Tinuke_hot.
Hush. Then again, it's not every friend you think is your friend that is your friend though.
True that.
So I don't even think it's even advisable to leave your friend with your man, because I've heard of different stories. Trust me, your friend will try to seduce your man.
If anything happens at the end of the day, would you go back to your man and leave your friend?
From that day, you're no longer my friend though. Cutting you off. I'll cut you off. That's the end for me and you.
But your man, how far? I wonder what my friend is thinking about it.
People fall into temptation. No?
It's a lie. It's a lie. It's a lie.
Let me tell you.
It's a lie.
Let me tell you something. If I like him, I'll still go back to him now. That is me giving you a benefit of that, or giving you a second chance.
So why can you not give your friend a second chance?
No, I can't do.
So my next question is, if your fiance's family despises you, would you marry him anyway?
Am I living with his family? If they despise me, I'll try to make them like me.
If you try all you can.
I try, and then they don't like me, and my fiance is still in love with me, I won't spend the rest of his life with me, I'll marry him. I'm not living with his family, I'm living with him. I'm building my own family with him. They should keep that in their pockets.
I will not marry you.
You won't. I will though.
I won't. So you guys just let us know what you think. Would you go ahead and marry him if his family doesn't like you? I said I wouldn't. She said she would. Would you?
If your friend's man made passes at you, would you tell her? Or keep it to yourself? Or play along?
Wow. Ah, this one is strong. Hey, go. Ah. Would I tell her?
Would you tell me?
I would tell you because...
You first think am.
No, I don't think am.
Hey! Maybe don't tell me I will leave you with my man. No. Now you can't think this one now. Hey!
I would tell you because I know you would believe me. You know some people would not believe you.
See, whether you believe me or not, I'll tell you. Immediately it happens, I'm telling you. You know how guys know how to turn things around and then you be the bad person. Immediately you try it. I'm telling my friend.
What do you think about sex before marriage?
What's funny? Well,
this is the only question my friend has taken time to think about.
The Bible said it's not good to indulge in
premarital
sex. But then again, in the world we live in, nobody even sees it as a sin anymore. That's all I'm going to say about that. Why are you looking at me now?
I'm trying to, you know.
But it's true in reality. Only 1% of the relationships that actually do not indulge in premarital sex.
1%?
1%.
I don't think so.
As Christians, it's not okay.
But this seems as if it's so hard.
If you make up your mind, it's not hard though. It has to be the both of you and your partner.
This topic is a very sensitive and important topic. One that we need to talk about, but it's just as if we don't want to talk about it. It's a sin against yourself, your body, and against God. And a lot of Christians try so hard to, stay away from premarital sex because God advises us against it. But at the end of the day, they find themselves falling back.
It's difficult.
It's difficult.
Honestly, let's not even lie.
What do you think a Christian can do to stay in grace? Because it's grace now.
If you actually do not want to indulge in premarital sex, you pray to God to give you a partner like you.
Fellowship with God. I think that is the only way. Pure fellowship, continuous fellowship with God's word, prayers and everything. I'm speaking out of experience. I've been there and I'm just trying to get my life back together, because the only time I was able to do it the right way, the God's way, it was because I was in fellowship with Him. Don't even come to argue with me or argue with us. That is the only way. God is the only way. Can you endure violence in a relationship if you really are in love?
The day you slap me, that's the end. For you to want to hit me, we're not even married, just in the relationship. You do worse to me when we are married.
Gerald said the day you hit me. The day you do like this, and now change your mind. You did not hit me, you just did like this. You now Reset.
What if it's April Fool?
Are you normal?
Which kind of April Fool?
What if it's April?
Which April Fool?
If
It's April Fool. We understand that it's April Fool. It's only on April 1st that April Fool can happen. If you were already married and your husband hits you for the first time, what would you do? You're already married to him and you have a child for him.
First time my daddy hit my mom, I think my daddy went out. When he came back to the house, he did not find her. She already took night bus
See the lie.
to go back to her village.
Are you serious?
I'm not joking. He had to follow her too. So when she arrived in the morning, he arrived in the morning, and then he now apologized that said he's not going to live there without taking her back. I don't think if I even leave, I'm going to come back. Why would you even want to hit me? Sometimes it's the woman's fault though.
Yeah.
They have bad mouth though. Women can push you to the extent that you lose your mind. You run mad. You will not even know when you hit her.
I can't. I won't. I will never. I will leave. Even if I have 5 kids for you, if you beat me, I will leave.
What's the first thing you look for in a man? Okay, what do you look at first? The way he talks, the way he's dressed.
Well,
Yeah,
first of all, I don't like light skinned guys. Like very fair guys, I don't. So that's like the first thing.
So if a fair guy is going to approach you, just forget about it. It's not going to be possible.
Enna! That's not what I mean, because I don't know if the husband that God has kept for me somewhere is fair. God, please, I don't want a fair husband. I don't want a fair husband.
The first thing I look for or look at when I see a guy, I look at your lips. That's the first thing. It has to be well moisturized.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Gerald.
I know it doesn't make sense, but then I like cute lips. That's the first thing. If a guy walking up to me to talk to me, that's the first thing I'm looking at.
Can you date a guy that stays with his parents?
Things are hard for people. I can't. No, you have a purpose. You're not lazy. You're hardworking. Trying to meet your target, your goal in life, and you still be your parents. For the main time.
So everybody's talking about Davido and Chioma assurance, blessed assurance. Can you be dating a guy for 5 years and while you're dating him, he gets two ladies pregnant?
I can't suffer in silence. I'll be having good things of life, enough money, shopping allowance. But then, where's your loyalty? Where's the love? Because if you love me so much, you wouldn't want to hurt me.
Till tomorrow, I see they cut cap for Chioma. No, that girl tried. Who does that? Well, true love. There's something called true love, right? They are both,
together, going strong,
making
I'm happy
money
for them.
together. She has bagged an endorsement.
For me, I cannot do it, Sha.
Do you think it is right for a girlfriend to go to her boyfriend's place without calling him?
Yes.
He has not proposed to you yet.
Yes.
That's right to come to your house anytime. He gets angry that you visit him without telling him. My dear sister, you are standing on a very long thing. You are the side chick.
I'll be taking permission before I come to your house. I'll be telling you ahead so that you prepare.
So guys, this is the look that we finally created, and that is about this video. We just really wanted to share our opinion on some relationship issues. I'm sure you all understood our opinion, so we would like to know what you think in the comments. So please let us know what you think about every questions that we asked and answered.
Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tell your friends to subscribe. Share this video, please.
Tell your friend to tell a friend to tell a friend
to tell a friend. Please follow us on social media, just down here. My Instagram is at VeekeeJames. Facebook is at VeekeeJames. Her Instagram is at
Jerry.D. Jerry with double Y.